So this disaster detail was one of a kind because guys, this was the most smelliest one I have ever had. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the show, and let's start the detail. So how's it going guys? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this Chrysler Pacifica that is here for a detail on the interior, and guys, this was a little bit of messy detail because the customer spilled coffee creamer all over the place, and on top of that he has an aquarium business on the side and the water spilled or something happened and it's smelly in the car. So just imagine rotten milk mixed with aquarium water. It was a disastrous smell. So guys, here I start tackling the carpets first, that is the floor mats, and this floor mats was full of pet hair. And here you will see that our tool that I was using, and this tool actually makes the job really fast. So if you're wondering, all the tools and the products that I'm using, they are listed in the description down below. Click on those links and you can check them out for yourself. Now after shampooing the floor mats, don't worry guys, this minivan is full of carpet. There is a lot more extraction and steaming coming along. But while vacuuming, I want to give you a tip. If you are coming across a car that has piano black, or your own personal car has a piano black and you want to clean it, make sure to use soft brushes because piano black is the easiest surface that you can scratch. As you can see around the center console where the screen is and the buttons are in the front, make sure to use soft towels and a soft brush when vacuuming. So this pet hair removal tool that I'm using here, this is an awesome tool. I bought this and I have been using this on most of the carpets that I do, especially when I have a lot of pet hair. And guys, this makes the job easy. If I did not have this tool while I was working on this minivan, I would have spent at least 2 more hours just vacuuming because this made the job really fast. So guys, if you're looking for all the tools and the product that I'm using, they're all listed in the description down below. And guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down below and let me know what you think. Now I start the shampoo process on this massive carpet that is in this minivan. This minivan is full of carpet. I'm using lightning fast carpet upholstery shampoo that is from Chemical Guys, and I'm using a drill brush to agitate the carpet, and then I'm introducing heat using a steamer because the extractor that I do not have hot water in it, so I introduce heat through the steamer, and this way it makes the carpet loosen all the dirt or anything that is hiding in there. So guys, if you are interested in this extractor that I built using a rigid shop vac, you can check out the video in the description down below, and I will show you the video over here. I uploaded it 2 weeks ago. Give it a look. I show exactly how I built it. Step-by-step guide is there with all the accessories that you need are listed in the description of that video, so go check it out. Now this was the spot where the customer had spilled a half a cup or a cup full of creamer, and it had gone down into all these crevices. I couldn't record much because this took at least 20 to 25 minutes of just steaming and removing all that rotten milk that was there, because these seats are not meant to be pulled out of this minivan. This really hard. You have to pull out a lot of stuff, so I was not able to do that, but I tried my best. I put the steamer wherever I could reach. I tried to clean all the milk out of the carpet as best as possible, and at the end of the detail, I did not record it, but this car at least got 45 minutes of ozone treatment to get rid of all that smell that was in the car. After cleaning all the floor mats and all the carpets, shampooing them, and then steam cleaning all the plastic in the car and steam cleaning the leather as well, now is the time that I put leather conditioner onto the seats. And guys, this is a really important step, because after the leather is cleaned, you want to make it nice and really soft and use a conditioner on it. And after that, I use Aerospace 303 to protect all the plastic and to give it that nice matte finish look. It does not give that shiny look, it gives that perfect matte finish. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. And once again guys, thanks for watching, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.